Nokia 8 accompanies a 5.5-inch IPS LCD with a determination of 2560 by 1440 pixels at a pixel thickness of 401 pixels for every inch. The screen is additionally ensured by a Corning Gorilla Glass 5 scratch-safe show. The telephone is fueled by a 2.4 GHz Octa Qualcomm Snapdragon 835 processor, and it accompanies 4 GB of SLAM. This means the processor has octa centers in the CPU, and 4 GB of SLAM guarantees the telephone runs easily with various applications open at the same time. The Nokia 8 likewise packs in an illustrations processor, and 64 GB of inward stockpiling, which can be extended to 128 GB through a microSD card. The Nokia 8 runs Android 7.10 S and is controlled by a 3400 mAh battery. It's a double SIM cell phone, and availability choices on the Nokia 8 incorporate GPS, HotSpot, NFC, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. The principal camera on the Nokia 8 is a 16+8 MP shooter with auto center, face discovery, HDR, scene mode, geo-labeling, touch center, computerized zoom, video recording. The cell phone likewise has a forward-looking camera equipped for shooting 8MP selfies.